Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can SFC scan on your Windows device. So what you're going to do is you're going to go on your search bar and you're going to search up command prompt. So you'll press on search and you'll search up command prompt. You can say command prompt right here, and what you're going to do now is you're going to run it as administrator. So you're going to press run as administrator right here. You're going to press on yes, and as you can see it is running as administrator now. So what you're going to do now is you're going to press SFC scan now. So you'll basically just enter SFC scan right here. You'll just start typing it and you're going to press SFC. You're going to do a space, you're going to add this slash, and then you're going to enter scan now. Don't add space in scan now. This is how you're going to write it. Now what you're going to do is you're going to press on enter after typing this, and now it will start to scan. You can see it's beginning your system scan. This process will take some time and it is beginning verification. It will complete verification and after that it will complete your SFC scan. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.